Okay, welcome back. We are studying about conquering distances. In the previous class, we learned about roadways. Today, let us learn railways, important railways, especially in India. In India, the railways were introduced by the British. We know during the period of Mughals, especially Jahangir, British came to India. And in 1853, British reached the first railway line in Maharashtra from Bombay to Thane. That time, Bombay was called Mumbai was called Bombay. Now we call Mumbai. James Watt invented steam engine. This steam engine was applied on railways. So this was the first steam locomotive engine applied on trains, steam engine. The fuel was coal. But today, steam engine was replaced by diesel and electric engines. There are different types of trains. We know goods train, passenger train, and passenger trains are of different types. India is the largest, India is having the largest network of railways in Asia. But in the world, India is having second position in its network. Trains that carry goods are called goods train. Now let us see what are the different types of trains. And before that, let us see there are the longest railway line in the world is found in Russia. See, it is starting from the easternmost part of Russia. This is Vladivostok to the western part of Russia. So close to France. Here this side, here it is Europe. Very close to Europe. This longest railway line is running from Vladivostok to St. Petersburg. It takes almost one full week to cover such a long distance. This is the longest railway line in the world. In India, we have a railway line from Dimapur to Kanyakumari. That is our longest railway line. Vivek Express, the train is there. Now, fastest train in India. But the fastest train as a whole, we can say that is Shatabdi Express. Shatabdi running from New Delhi to Bhopal. This is the fastest. They are only sitting facility. But the train that is having sleeping facility or sleepers, that is in Rajdhani Express. Rajdhani is the fastest train in India. It is fully air conditioned. It is running a long route train. But Shatabdi Express is a short distance. It is a maximum of half a day or 6 hours, 7 hours, maximum 10 hours journey. Fastest train in India is Rajdhani Express. Different types of Rajdhani are there. The place connecting Delhi, Trivandrum, Delhi, Chennai, Delhi, Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata. So many Rajdhani Expresses. Monorail, another type of train. This train we don't have. These are famous in Europe and USA. Especially in Germany, monorails are found. Mono means single railway, single rail, no two track, only single rail is there. Only single. This is known as monorail. This is very fast. It is a kind of a bullet train. So fast. Then another one, TGV train. It is also famous in Germany, Japan, France, and USA, Italy. Everywhere we can find it. This is another type of bullet train. TGV is a bullet train, monorail also of the same category. Fast. This is the fastest train in the world. Fastest. Looking like, the shape is like a shark. It will pierce through the air. Now, other than passenger trains, there are so many luxury trains are there in India. The people, those who like to go for tour, they book luxury trains. Different packages are there. Package of 3 days, 1 week, like that. People make their tour. After marriage, they are making first journey, visiting to different luxury or different picnic destinations. Tourists use this train not for traveling purpose but for sightseeing. But the fare is very high, more than a lakh for a week journey. It is highly comfortable. Let us see the important luxury trains in India. The coming slides you will come to know which are the important luxury trains in India. One is Deccan Odyssey. See, this is the inner view of Deccan Odyssey. Just like our same train, the width is same only, but very beautifully decorated. Accommodation is of high standard. Dining area. This is the outer look. You might have seen this train, but inside this train is looking this way. This train is called Odyssey, Deccan Odyssey. Then palace on wheels. One palace is moving on wheels. Such all facilities. See the bedroom. From the room, you can see outer view. Very beautiful glasses. Hill views are there. Beautiful. This is the outer look of this train. Palace on wheels. Luxurious train. This is the bedroom of this train. So beautiful. It is having facility just like a 5-star hotel. Then Maharaja's Express, another luxurious train. See the dining hall. One compartment is converted into the dining hall. The chairs and the table, everything is of high standard. Neatness is up to the mark. Outer view. Generally, Europeans, they come to India and visit different places. See, one European lady is about to board this train, enter into the train. The cost is very high. You can find out from the net, Indian Railways net. Other than this above 3 trains, there are many other trains are there. Almost 12 luxury trains in India. But main is 7 trains. Already we have discussed 3. The other 4 trains are, one is Golden Chariot, then Royal Orient train, then Ferry Queen Express, Heritage on Wheels. All trains are a specimen copy of the Palace on Wheels or Maharaja's Express. Out of them, the costliest one is Maharaja's Express. Points to remember. A background music is played just to add beauty so that you can enjoy it. Now there is a gap. See, important points that is coming in today's class. British introduced the railways in India. The first train in India ran between Bombay and Thane, and it was introduced in 1853 by the British. Trans-Siberian Railway line is the longest railway line in the world. But in India, it is Vivek Express from northeastern states to Kanyakumari. Then monorail. Monorail train run on a single rail. Single rail means a single track. These are famous in USA and almost all European countries. Then TGV. This is the fastest train in the world. TGV trains or the bullet trains are famous in Japan, France, Germany, etc. In India, if you introduce, it may collide with cattle, buffaloes, cows, bulls are, anytime they may cross the railway track. But in the European countries, it is the duty of the owner to take care of their cattle. Okay. The first day we studied about roadways, and today we studied railways. Here you can see the example for a bullet train. Very beautiful, very neat. Looking like an aeroplane. Such a beauty. Okay, we will continue the next class.